Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to take the bloody Ferrari out to a car show, but we had a bit of dramas last night. I had this old girl out. Yeah, she's living out the back for a couple of days while I got a customer car here. But yeah, she kind of cursed me. So I'll show you what happened. Oh, can get this open. Oh, all the water rolling out. Let's get this bloody bonnet strut up. Where is it? Here we are. I lost my clutch and I've got a funny feeling, and I am hopeful that it's because there's no fluid left. There's very minimal in there, so I reckon that's probably it. But yeah, drove it home bloody 40 minutes last night with no clutch. It was sweet. Just got to a traffic light, turned the car off, put it in gear, hope for the best as I took off. It's alright. Upshift alright, downshift not so good. As yeah, you touch the pedal, even if you're driving along, let's say 100 k's, about 3000 rpm, put the clutch in, just stayed where it was, didn't affect a thing. So yeah, clutch pedal was useless for me last night. We'll fix it up probably later in the week, maybe next weekend, because hey, I've got no time. We've got too many bloody customer cars going on here. So bonnet can go back down for now. Move that back into the garage next week as well. Wow, probably have to fix the clutch to move it back to the garage. Get this old girl here, she is getting a engine swap. It's actually getting an SR20 DE. I'll probably put a little bit of information into this into the next video. Just finished the tunnel install on that yesterday, so that is all good to go. Just have to seam seal and paint it. But yeah, it's good. But what's really happening today, we got the old Ferrari going to a show, going to Status Seasonal down in Williamstown at, what is it, Science Works. So I'm going to just give this a, I don't even think it needs much of a clean. I gave it a bit of a rinse off yesterday, so she's looking alright. Truth be told, it's wet outside and I've only got this one wiper. She's got a blade, the other one doesn't actually have a blade. I've gone as far as measuring them, and that's good enough for me at the moment. I might stop and get some, I probably won't. I'll probably just push through because hey, that one works good. But we'll get it there, get it on display, talk some shit with the boys, hopefully go get some food because it's going to be a bloody long day. And show off how the car's looking like. We've got the lip on now, she's all painted. Finished that front end off good. Bloody can't wait till this car's got wheels. And I've been considering, really bloody considering actually, seats. There's been some brides I've been chasing in beige. Beige Eurostar brides. If I can find some, I'll put them in, but I haven't been able to find any at the moment. Well, I found some in the UK, but they're about 7,000 bucks, and I just can't justify it. If I can find some local, maybe. I'm gonna try some of the boys in to make sure they're actually the style I want. But yeah, yes. Get this car out, get it ready to go. Move some cars around so I can get it out. There's some block in the garage. Yeah, got the other one of the boys' drift cars here. Getting that ready to wire up. Hence why my car's out the back for a couple of days. But yeah, get it out to the show it off with the boys, talk some shit, have some fun. Now we play the waiting game. Just rocked up and we're pretty much just off the main road here in Williamstown. Everyone's bloody bumper to bumper, so we're not on it. But yeah, it's a bit of a waiting game as we move in. Always a bloody shambles at a car show. Hopefully nice and smooth. I don't care if we're inside or out. Car's there, people can see it. Outside it looks better in the rain. Inside, sure lights will look good. But who cares? We'll make it work.